Hello everyone! Welcome to our new learning in math. Our lesson for today is all about visualizing and describing solid figures. Let us associate the following objects with the given solid figures. These are the proper association of the objects and the solid figures corresponds to it. A Rubik's Cube is correspond to this figure. A ball is correspond to this figure. An ice cream cone is correspond to this figure. A tin can is correspond to this figure. The Great Pyramid of Giza is correspond to this figure. And a shoebox is correspond to this figure. What are solid figures? Solid figures are three-dimensional figures. Three-dimensional objects have length, width, and height. Moreover, they have faces, edges, and vertices. An edge is formed when two faces meet. It is a straight line segment. These are the number of edges in these solid figures. A cube has 12 edges. A rectangular prism has 12 edges. A pyramid has 8 edges. A sphere is 0. A cylinder is 0, and the cone is 0. Vertex is a point where edges meet. The plural of vertex is vertices. Here are the number of vertices of these solid figures. A cube has 8 vertices. A rectangular prism has 8 vertices. A pyramid has 5 vertices. A sphere is 0. A cylinder is 0, and a cone has 1 vertex. Face is the flat surface of a solid figure. Here are the number of faces of this solid figure. A cube has 6 faces. A rectangular prism has 6 faces. A pyramid has 5 faces. A sphere is 0. A cylinder has 2 faces, and a cone has 1 face. Solid figures are either polyhedron or non-polyhedron. A polyhedrons are solid figures whose faces are polygons. It may be a prism or a pyramid. A prism is made up of two parallel and congruent bases, which can be any polygon. The other faces are parallelograms. It is named after the shape of its base. If its base is a triangle, it is called triangular prism. If it is a pentagon, it is called a pentagonal prism. A pyramid has only one base, which can also be a polygon. The other faces are triangles, which meet at a common vertex. A pyramid is also named after the shape of its base. If the base is square, we call it square pyramid. If the base is a triangle, we call it triangular pyramid. If the base is hexagon, we call it hexagonal pyramid. Here are the examples of polyhedrons: triangular prism, rectangular prism, pentagonal prism, triangular pyramid, rectangular pyramid, and a pentagonal pyramid. A non-polyhedron is a solid figure whose faces are not all polygons. A cylinder is a solid with congruent parallel circular base connected by curved surface. Next is a cone. Cone is a solid figure with circular base connected by a curved surface to a single vertex. And lastly, a sphere is a set of points spaced that are the same distance from a given point. A sphere has no faces, edges, or vertices. I hope that you understand our lesson for today. Thank you for watching.